Hello cuties, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Yes, okay, today I am your teacher Pavitra from Bharadasla Matric High Secondary School, Arakonam. Today we are going to learn the 6th topic from EVS for UKG students. Okay children, 6th topic from EVS for UKG kids. Okay, what topic is today? Today we are going to learn about an interesting topic, hot touching topic, because today our topic is my classroom. Do you all like your classroom children? Yes, very good. Today our topic is my classroom. What are the activities we are doing in our classroom, and then what are the things we can see in our classroom. Today we are going to learn about those things only. Okay, first, now see here, who is she? Yes, she is a teacher. Who is she children? Yes, she is a teacher. What is the spelling of teacher? T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. Say again my dears, T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. Do you all like your teacher? Yes, very good. She teaches how to write, read, how to behave, everything she teaches you, right children? Yes, very good. Whenever you see your teachers in your school campus or anything, wherever it is, you have to wish them. Okay children? Yes, that is the good habit. Okay children? So now we are going to write the spelling of the word teacher in cursive. Okay? So take your pencil everyone. Get ready all of you. Listen. Keep your pencil on the top red line. Okay? T. First capital T, that should be in the top 3 lines. Okay? Next, E. A, C, H, E, R, teacher. What is the spelling of teacher? T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. Say it again my dears. T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. Very good. The next one is blackboard. What is it children? Yes, blackboard. The spelling of the word blackboard is B-L-A-C-K, black, B-O-A-R-D, board, blackboard. Repeat it again my dears. B-L-A-C-K, black, B-O-A-R-D, board, blackboard. Okay. What is the shape of this blackboard dears? Yes, you are correct. This is a rectangular shape. Very good. Okay, what is the color of this board? Yes, absolutely, it is black in color. Okay, our teacher uses this board while teaching. She wants to write, means use this blackboard and teach you, right children? Yes, very good. So now we are going to write the blackboard in cursive letters. See here, B, L, A, C, K, black board. Leave some space and write children. B, O, A, R, D, board, blackboard. What is it dears? Blackboard. Yes, very good. The next one is, what is the next picture? Yes, what is it? Yes, this is duster. This is the picture of duster. The spelling of the word duster is D-U-S-T-E-R, duster. What is it dears? D-U-S-T-E-R, duster. Very good. Whenever you want to write something more on the board, means what we have to do? Already the board was fully finished, means what we have to do? Yes, we use the duster and erase the board, right children? So that for that only we are using duster. Okay. Now we are going to write the spelling of the word duster here. See, D U S T E R. Duster. What word is this? Duster. D-U-S-T-E-R. Duster. Repeat it again, my dears. What is the spelling of duster? Yes, D-U-S-T-E-R. Duster. Very good. The next one is, see here, what is it? Yes, this is the picture of colorful chalk pieces, right children? Yes, the spelling of the word chalk is C-H-A-L-K, chalk. Very good. Do you all like to write and color chalk piece? Yes, good. Again, the spelling of the word chalk is C-H-A-L-K, chalk. Okay. How to write in cursive, dears? Let's learn. C H A L K, chalk. C H A L K, chalk. What is it, dears? C H A L K, chalk. Very good. The next one is, see, book. What is it, children? Yes, this is the picture of book. The spelling of the word book is B-O-O-K, book. What is it? B-O-O-K, book. Okay, you have some books in your bag, right children? What are the books you have? Just tell me. Oh, Tamil, English. Next, Maths, Hindi, EVS and all you have. Yes, very good children. We can get all the information from the book. Okay, whatever we need about anything, we can just read the book and get the information from the book. Okay, children. So, now we are going to write the word book in cursive. Okay, listen. B O, again O, K. B-O-O-K, book. What is it? B-O-O-K, book. Good. The next one is, see here, bag. What picture is this? Yes, this is the picture of bag. Very good. Do you all like your bag, children? Yes, very good. The spelling of the word bag is B-A-G, bag. What is it, dears? B-A-G, bag. Very good. My dear students, you have to arrange your bag previous day night itself. Okay. Don't disturb your mummy to arrange your bag. Okay. What are the things you need? You have to arrange your bag. Okay. So, B-A-G, bag. Okay. Let's write the spelling of the word bag here. B-A-G, bag. What is the spelling of the word bag? B-A-G, bag. Very good. The next one is fan. What picture is this? Yes, fan. F-A-N, fan. Say it again. F-A-N, fan. Very good. What is the spelling of fan? Yes, F-A-N, fan. Let's write the spelling of the word fan. F-A-N, fan. What is it, children? F-A-N, fan. Yes, very good. Whenever we are leaving from the classroom, okay, what we have to do? Yes, we have to switch off the fans. Okay, that is one of the good habits. Not only in the classroom, in your home also, you have to follow this habit. Okay, children? Yes, good. Next, pencil. What picture is this? Yes, this is the picture of pencil. What is the spelling of pencil? P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. Say it again. P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. Whenever we are going to write with the help of pencil, you have to sharp it first. Okay, then only your handwriting will be neat and nice. Okay, so with the help of the pencil, we can write whatever we want. Okay, now how to write the spelling of the word pencil in cursive, children? Let's listen. P E N C I L. Pencil. P E N C I L. Pencil. Very good. The next one is chair. What picture is this? This is the picture of chair. Okay. What is the spelling of chair? Listen. C-H-A-I-R. Chair. What is the spelling of chair, dears? Yes. C-H-A-I-R. Chair. Okay. We can use chair to sit. Right, children? That everyone knows. Okay. It is made up of wood. Okay, children? Good. Let's listen. Now we are going to write the spelling of the word chair in cursive. C-H-A-I-R. Chair. C-H-A-I-R. Chair. What is the spelling of chair, children? Yes. C-H-A-I-R. Chair. Very good. The final one is table. What picture is this? Yes, this is the picture of table. The spelling of the word table is T-A-B-L-E. Table. Say it again, my dears. T-A-B-L-E. Table. Okay, it is made up of wood. Right, children? Yes, very good. Whatever you want to submit to your teacher, what you have to do? Yes, you have to submit your notes on the table. Right, children? It's very good. So, table is the essential one in our classroom. Okay. Now, we are going to write the spelling of the word table in cursive letters. Okay. See here. T A B L E. Table. T A B L E. Table. What is the spelling of the word table? Yes. T-A-B-L-E. Table. Good, children. So, my dear students, in this class we have learnt about our classroom. Right, children? Okay, we have attached study material, question bank and question paper in the below description for the further clarification. Students, read this topic clearly and do the self-assessment properly. Parents, take the photocopy of this child's self-assessment paper and send it to school WhatsApp number. Thank you. Bye-bye.